Hi, Christine. It's been such a pleasure working with you all the years that you've been at East. You are the absolute professional. I've learned so much from you in several different ways. I'm always impressed with how you handle the gifted program as well as the GIEP meetings, the organization that you bring to it, as well as the intelligence. I'd like to thank you for always being a wonderful coworker and good friend. You've helped us out tremendously with our DECA program, not only in your support in the gifted program, but also just physically coming and chaperoning the events. So thank you for always being such a huge supporter, not only in that program and of the students that are in that program, but even some advice that you've shared with me over the years, and you've just been such an enormous help. I've always been incredibly impressed with what you've done with the House of Hope. I love the way that you empower the students to make it better every single year, and even last year during the pandemic, to still be able to pull that off, and even with the residual effects of the pandemic this year. That definitely takes dedication and a special person. I am sure that you're not going to stop moving in retirement. I'll just be excited to see where your energy and your excitement takes you next. I wish you only the best. I do hope you get a chance to travel and go see your boys and do some different things that you've always wanted to do. But thank you again for always being a wonderful friend and the consummate professional here at East High School. Best of luck to you in the future.